Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Airtasker notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Airtasker app on your device. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home screen, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings and select it. In the Settings menu, look for Notifications and tap on it. You will see a list of notification options available to you. Review the categories listed, such as new tasks, updates, or messages. To change a specific notification setting, tap on that category. You can choose to enable or disable notifications by toggling the switch. If you want to customize notification sounds, look for that option within the same settings. Select your preferred sound or choose to silence notifications. After making your adjustments, make sure to save any changes. Exit the settings menu by using the back option or home button. To confirm your changes, consider performing a test by posting a new task. Monitor if you receive notifications as per your new settings. If issues persist, consider reinstalling the app or checking your device's main notification settings. This completes your guide on resetting your Airtasker notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.